Presenting your SWOT analysis to stakeholders isn't just about sharing information. It's about creating alignment, building credibility, and driving action. In this video, we'll walk through how to present SWOT effectively so your insights are not only heard, but lead to real decisions. Start by knowing your audience. Are you speaking to executives, investors, department heads, or cross-functional teams? Each group will care about different aspects of your SWOT. Executives want to see strategic clarity. Investors want to know you've assessed risk. Teams want to see how it affects their role. Tailor your message accordingly. Begin with a brief overview. What is SWOT? Why you conducted it? And what business decision or goal it supports. Set the context early. This tells stakeholders this isn't just theory, it's tied to outcomes. Now, present your analysis, quadrant by quadrant. But don't just list points. Tell a story. For each strength, explain how it gives you an edge. Use evidence, metrics, feedback, case studies. For weaknesses, be honest but constructive. Show how you discovered them and what you're doing to address them. Opportunities are where you build momentum. Highlight market trends, customer demand, or technological shifts that support your growth plans. Be specific and back your points with data. For threats, present them as strategic challenges, not fear tactics. Show that you're aware, alert, and planning. Include risk mitigation steps or strategic pivots already underway. One of the most impactful ways to present SWOT is through pairing logic. After walking through the quadrants, show how you've connected the dots. For example, we're using our operational efficiency, strength to pursue global expansion opportunity. We're addressing our outdated tech, weakness, to better respond to new compliance laws, threat. This shows stakeholders that SWOT isn't just diagnostic, it's strategic. Use visuals to reinforce your message. A clear SWOT grid is useful, but go further with heat maps, priority rankings, or SWOT to strategy maps. Make it easy for stakeholders to grasp the big picture and the path forward. Be transparent about how the SWOT was created, who participated, what data sources were used, what criteria were applied. Transparency builds trust. It shows this wasn't guesswork. It was methodical, inclusive, and data-informed. Then, transition to next steps. What decisions are being made based on this SWOT? What plans are already in motion? What input do you need from stakeholders? Be clear about what's being asked. Approval, feedback, budget, support. Make the presentation actionable. Also, be ready for questions. Some stakeholders may challenge your conclusions, especially around weaknesses and threats. Anticipate this by having backup data, alternative perspectives, or examples from competitors or industry trends. This isn't defensiveness, it's confidence backed by preparation. One great practice is to include a SWOT summary table in your executive report. This one-pager shows the top 2 to 3 items in each quadrant, their impact level, and associated initiatives. It gives busy stakeholders a strategic snapshot they can review and reference easily. Finally, close by reconnecting SWOT to the broader vision. How does this analysis help move the company forward? What does it reveal about who you are, where you're going, and what you're capable of? Presenting SWOT isn't just about being analytical, it's about being persuasive. When done right, it earns trust, mobilizes resources, and builds buy-in. So take the time to do it well and turn your analysis into momentum.